Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a look at another interesting concept when it comes to watches. Bewatchmaker is a Swiss-based company that is trying to share the watchmaking experience with everyone, as they say on their webpage. They offer an incredibly large selection of interchangeable parts that you can pick out to design your own watch. But the coolest thing is that they will ship you those parts together with tools so you can assemble your watch by yourself. Most of their kits not only include Swiss parts but also Swiss tools, which are very good quality. As you might guess it, these kits are pretty expensive. They do offer a way to bring the cost down by giving you the option to have only the parts sent without the tools, for those of you who already own tools or their returning customers, which is pretty cool. Since the high prices clash with their motto of bringing the experience to everyone, they're launching a Kickstarter campaign with the kit we're playing with today. Priced at $200, you still get all the necessary tools and all the Swiss parts, but instead of a mechanical watch with a steel case, this one is made of plastic and comes with a quartz movement. This is aimed at younger customers and potentially even kids, to interest them in watchmaking. The assembly in this instance is pretty basic. You get the dial, case, hands, and movement, and just have to assemble all of it together. Apart from the seconds hand, which I had to do off camera, as recording it, especially with the audio, would have made this an R-rated video and it would have been demonetized, the rest of the assembly was pretty straightforward and quite simple. In case you're not familiar with basic watch assembly, they do offer tutorials and step-by-step videos on their YouTube channel. And to make those as easy to follow as possible, they even include a phone stand in the package that allows you to watch the tutorials as you assemble the watch. I have to admit I was positively surprised with the quality of tools as well as everything that was included in the kit. They even send hand removing tools in case you mess up setting them on, as that is the most complicated and delicate part. While their more expensive and more complicated kits are something I would like to get for myself, this cheap one is something I might start giving away as gifts to people I know who are getting into watches. It really is a fun experience that won't break your bank account while allowing you to wear your creation. It may not offer as much a design customization like the others, but it makes up for it in price. So if you're interested or want to surprise someone with a cool Lego for adults, check out Bewatchmaker and their Kickstarter campaign by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video,